might have seen my previous short about tea drinkers losing their minds because the hot water dispenser on this water fountain was broken. This water fountain's pretty old, so not all the parts are available for it anymore, but I think I found another manufacturer's part that is pretty close to a direct fit. Out with the old. So I drilled 2 holes higher up so I could put the mounting bracket up there, because the lines that come with this one are not as long as the other one. Also, this mounting bracket blocks access to the shutoff valve, so I put an inline shutoff valve in for the water supply, and I went ahead and replaced the filter and put the date I installed it since I'm in here. In with the new. It took a few minutes to purge all the air out of the system, but not long after that, he was making hot water.